Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer Jong Kajala Dr. BDR Tiwari IAS. Ulapin benapat ba balapin Treikam ni kikindon perking election lani ke Model Code of Conduct. Nomor ke election MLA siteng samoy ke Banlong Gambegre constituency. Mat ke jing penkrek ke election ke bakin thom nadu ke jing don jong ke Nongthep vote. Mat kiwei ki kam Gambegre constituency kila sedang banyaj syakman. Habaya kiran bat kinong thok khubor nakaliang utiwari ulaong. Pemerintah kesengi kekat santri urisau arajar arpusau ka Election Commission of India kala penbena ya tarik jong ki election hapo keri ke bakin tubru ya ki election siteng samoy jong ke 56 Gambegre constituency West Garo Hills Meghalaya. Kat kum ke jing penbena ke balayo la pentip ba ke jing sedang ban tep kerteng ki kertong kan long ha kekat pratarik urisau arajar arpusau pat kesengi ke bekat do ban tep kerteng kan long ha ke arpusantrik urisau arajar arpusau ke jing pet bat bishar banyak ya ki kot kisla kan long ha ke arpu pratarik urisau pat kesengi ke bekat do baki kertong kin weng ya ki kerteng jongki kan long ha ke lai potrik urisau arajar arpusau. Utiwari ula pentip ru bagas ngiban tep vote kan long ha kat lai terik unai wing arajar arpusau bat kasngi nyo vote kan long ha ka arpu lai terik unai wing arajar arpusau. Shisho ula pentip ru ba hapo ke Gambegre constituency kidon hado lai pu hajar shis pa sanpu nyo ngut ki Nongthep vote ha ka ba nakini kidon hado khat reu hajar lai spa lai pu lai ngut ki Nongthep vote ki badai ki shinrang bat khat san hajar pras pa arpu sangut ki dei ki kentei ula pentip ru baladan hado san pu waitli ki Jakarta vote ha ka ba lai pu waitli ki Jakarta vote ki long ki badan jingma henry wala kataru nakaliang ka ECI kala penkre nagabentaban penlong ki jing tap vote ka ba khoj bat subang. Habajuba pat halor ke jingwan jong Vice President jong kari Ujakdi Dhangkar Shikajala Meghalaya nakaliang utiwari ula pentip baka Model Code of Conduct kan Treikam tang haki district di bapenlong yake election kabamud kan Treikam tang haki thany West Garo Hills district. Shisho utiwari ula pentip ru badakaliang ke Election Commission jong ke jilla kaladepan penkrek lepa yigila jingedan ke bentaban penlong yake election kabayat bet yai rinti baru kabak hoj basuba. Kumachupin ken mau baka daw ka ba penlong ki election MLA siteng samoy ha Gambegre kadai hadin ba unong alam jong ka Congress usaling sangma ulai no ya ka kam kumu MLA ka Gambegre constituency namar ba ula Shajit kumu MP ka Lok Sabha na Tura constituency ha ujilleu mentau snem arajar arpusau.
Honorable Election Commission of India has declared the election schedule for 2 states as well as by-elections in the separate states. Accordingly, 56 Gambegre ST constituency in West Garo Hill district in state of Meghalaya is also going for by-elections. So schedule is as follows. Date of issue of Gazette notification is 18th October 2024 on Friday. Last date of making nomination will be on 25th October 2024 on Friday. Date for scrutiny of nomination is 28th October, Monday, and last date for withdrawal of candidature is 30th October 2024. The poll will held on 13th November 2024 on Wednesday. Date of counting of votes will be on the 23rd November 2024. We have in Gambegre Assembly constituency total 32,157 voters, out of which 16,333 are male voters and 15,824 are female voters. There are total 51 polling stations in the assembly area, and out of which 31 polling stations are critical, but there are no vulnerable polling stations. Election functionaries are fully prepared for conduct of free, fair, smooth election.
Can you tell us about the model code? Because Vice President also coming, so it will affect.
So As per model code of conduct is concerned, it will be applicable in the concerned district where the assembly area falls. So it will be in the West Garo Hill district only.
Sir, if you can tell us.
It will be worked out and informed subsequently. There are total 49 single PS polling stations, 47, and 2 polling stations are having 2 polling stations. So altogether 49 polling station locations we have. That is already being worked out, and all the security measures and peacekeeping measures will be ensured for conduct of free fair election in there. For the conduct of free fair election at the grassroots level, and whoever is the candidate, we are looking after all the sensitivity perspective and all the election functionaries are fully prepared for conduct of free fair election and smooth election at the ground.
Earlier,
Ensure.
because pre-election period, there were a lot of activities by the government of the day.
Basically, any activity once model code of conduct is concerned, then we look into as per the purview of model code of conduct, and all the needful measures will be ensured as per the MCC is concerned. It will be processed basically till time we have 100 number of PWDs and 64 number of senior citizens, and there are 3 service voters also, and we have sufficient EVMs and all machines, manpower, training, etc. already being done, and our entire machinery is fully prepared. So EVM availability, there are the 110 number of BUs, 110 number of CUs, and 110 number of VVPAT is there.
So how many?
So it is more than 200% EVMs are there, so we have sufficient availability of EVMs.